Hello and welcome to another video of WiseFuss, AI art enthusiasts and digital visionaries. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey through the realm of creativity. In today's video, we are about to dive into a tool that is set to redefine how we perceive art. Midjourney's incredible Flash Describe tool. Are you prepared to unlock the potential of infinite art? Well, let's discover how the power of this tool can take your creations to unprecedented heights. Step number 1, the artistic evolution. Art, as we know, is boundless. It evolves, it transcends, and it surprises. But what if I told you that there's a tool that can spark an infinite chain of creativity? Enter Midjourney's Slash Describe tool. This remarkable feature isn't just about describing an image, it's about envisioning new dimensions, new interpretations, and breathing fresh life into your creations. Step number 2, the magic behind Slash Describe. Let's demystify this incredible tool. Imagine you have an image, a piece of art that speaks to you. Now, instead of merely describing it, the Slash Describe tool takes a leap into the AI's mind. It suggests text prompts that might have brought your image to life, giving you insights into the AI's perception. These prompts help you put words to the subjects and details within your artwork, leading to new layers of expression. Step number 3, elevating inspiration. But here's the real magic. This tool isn't just about description, it's about igniting your imagination. Take an image you cherish, upload it, and witness the prompts that emerge. These prompts don't limit you, they expand your horizons. They inspire you to see your artwork in ways you might have never considered it before. Step number 4, the unending creative cycle. What if I told you that this tool is a key to an infinite art cycle? It's not just about the initial prompts, it's about the iterations that follow. Each prompt you receive opens a door to new interpretations. And here's the kicker. When you use Slash Describe on a newly evolved image, the cycle continues, leading to a cascade of creativity that seems limitless. Step number 5, pioneering expression. But there's more to this than meets the eye. It's not just about what's in the tool, but what you bring to it. Your choices, your interpretations, your creativity. They shape the direction this tool takes. It's collaboration between human ingenuity and AI capabilities, resulting in a fusion of innovation that's nothing short of remarkable. Step number 6, beyond boundaries with Midjourney. Now, let's talk about the home of this transformative tool, Midjourney. But what if you're not using Midjourney? Fear not, you can achieve the same magic with the free Clip Interrogator tool. The journey of infinite artistry isn't confined to a single platform. It's about the concepts, the connections, and the boundless imagination you bring to the table. Step number 7, the ripple effect. Picture this, your favorite artwork sparking a chain reaction of creativity. Each prompt, each iteration, they are like ripples in a pond, spreading across the surface of your imagination. It's not just about creating new art, it is about expanding your horizons, testing new waters, and diving into uncharted territories. Step number 8, the infinite horizon. As we draw this journey to a close, remember the Slash Describe tool isn't just a tool, it's a glimpse into the synergy of human and AI creativity. It's a doorway to a realm where art knows no limits, where interpretation is boundless, and where your imagination fuels an infinite horizon of expression. If this exploration of infinite art has ignited your creative spirit, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps the flame of creativity burning bright. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. I'm eager to hear how you are embracing the power of Midjourney's slash describe tool. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the world of infinite art. Remember, your imagination knows no bounds. It's the driving force behind every masterpiece. If you are ready to explore more, don't hesitate to check our other videos. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep unlocking the boundaries